read this book.
Yeah, in a few minutes. I want you to eat some of your dinner first.
I read myself. Here's a nice chunk.
Well, you want to show me some letters you know?
It's only some money, so
See if you can pick out any letters you know on that page.
I told me ridiculous. This was rattle.
Who's in that one? Who's in that story?